understand the logical operators, we need to first understand this picture. Now here we have the AND gate, which is just simply if this A and B is true, then we get the result of C. You don't need to know these gates, it's just the logical thing that if two variables are true, then we have this output. Just you have to know this. This is for AND gate. And for OR gate, we have if one of these two is true, the output can be true. If none of them are true, then we cannot get the output. Here you can see 0, 0, it's 0. A is 0, 2 is B, then we get the output. So this is only the difference, you just have to know this. And for NOTs, as we have discussed in the last episode, it's just change the state of the variable. So if it's A, if you put not, and then it just changes to 1. That's it. You have to know only this. So we have discussed about the AND operator. Now we have logical OR operator. So, let's see. So we can say if number 1. We don't need to use number. Like let's just say a random number. If 3 is less than 5. Let's just say that way. Let's say it this way, and then 5, and then or 4 equals 4. Okay. By the way, guys, if you're writing a statement like this, and if you just need to write one line for it, like printing something, and you want to use one line, you don't have to put brackets. It's better to put brackets if you have multiple lines. And if you want to just if this statement is true and you just want to execute one line, you can just use this. So you just press enter and you just do it in one line. But if you write something in this here, if this statement is true, then this is ignored, only this line is executed. Okay, so if this is this, we can say this is OR array operator. Okay, now let's run this. Okay, now we can see this is OR operator. As you can see, this is not true because 3 is not bigger than 5. So if only this side is true, then we can execute this one. So 4 equals 4, then we can run this. Now we have the NOT operator. Now we have if number 1 let's put it here. Okay, if number 1 is not equals to 4, همین در رو میبندی، همین در اتاق هایوتونی. Okay, let's move on to the logical NOT operator. So we have written here if not this 6 equals 5, as we have learned before, equals says if this number is equal to this side, it just returns true. And here we know that NOT operator changes the boolean, like the logic. If it's true, it makes it false. Now here is false, then this makes it true. So printf new line this is not operator. Okay, now this should be run. We should see this. This is not operator. So if we don't put this, of course this is not gonna be executed, so we really don't see it. Yeah, okay. And we can also use this not operator like this. If not 6 is equal to 5, this is the same thing as we did, and this should be also executed. Now this is not operator. And yeah, this is really it, and this is really useful, guys, trust me. And here we have increment. Thank you for watching this video. We're gonna discuss about special cases also in the next video, so please consider watching and subscribe if you didn't. Thank you very much.